Skin Rejuvenation Services, Diamond Glow, exfoliates, extracts, and infuses skin with nourishing Skin Medica Pro Infusion Serums. Dermaplane is included with this treatment. Dermaplane procedure aims to remove fine wrinkles, deep acne scars, as well as makes the skin surface look smooth by removing layers of dead skin. Fine hair is removed and extractions are performed. Chemical peels use a solution to remove layers of skin, revealing more youthful skin underneath. Tattoo services, microblading versus tattoo eyebrows. Microblading lasts 1 to 2 years, where tattoos last 3 to 5. Microblading is a hair stroke, natural looking eyebrow, whereas tattoo is your traditional full tattoo eyebrows. Lip blushing, tattooing of the lips, gives you a natural lip color, improving the shape of your lips. Tattoo eyeliner, also known as permanent eyeliner, has been around for decades. You can have perfect permanent eyeliner in just one treatment. Regenerative skin services, Bellafill, a dermal filler that stimulates collagen growth for up to 5 years, also used for acne scarring. Thread lift is a procedure wherein temporary sutures are used to produce a subtle but visible lift in the skin. Plasma IQ is a minimal invasive procedure meant to revitalize the skin by using controlled plasma energy to create micro injuries across the surface of the skin. It seems as though we finally found the fountain of youth. PRP is a treatment that uses your own plasma to reduce wrinkles, plump up saggy skin, get rid of deep creases, improve complexion, and diminish acne scars. AquaGold is one customized vial mixed with everything you need to solve your skin's shortcomings. Collagen levels in the skin decline as we age, and new collagen can be produced when the skin is in repair mode. Microneedling causes micro-injuries that stimulate collagen. Vivace is a microneedling radiofrequency device that helps to stimulate natural production of collagen. The results are fine lines, wrinkles, tightening, lifting, helping with pore size, improving skin tone and texture, and have immediate results to stimulate your own natural collagen. Feel free to email me if you would like a PDF copy of all of these services sent to you.